Inspector General ki pulet ubalang chairman jaga recruitment board uba Francis Karshiyeng. Ula pentip bagi jingpynrungkam pulet na kebenta ki lai hajar sispa tylli ki kam ki balaj kan sdang no Shen. Bat kini ki kam ki balaj ki kentop ya nyopun ru tylli ki post hak unarmed branch sub inspector si hajar arspa san tylli hak unarmed branch constable bat si hajar hendru spa lai penyo tylli hak armed branch constable. Ulang bagi negeri jingpynrungkam kan long hakisan teli jaka ke bakentup ke first battalion Hamauyong ke benpet ikan ngatan ke second MLP na ke bentang West Garo Hills ke third battalion ha Sabsen na ke bentang ke Rilum Jantia ke fourth battalion ha Sopian na ke bentang West Khasi Hills bat ke fifth battalion ha William Nagar na ke bentang ke East bat South Garo Hills. Ke jingpa ya ke application lang ba ke online kan sedang nadok ke Shiterek Uyayong. Director General Kipulet Dr. LR Bishnoi ulong bakani kan dek jingpynrungkam ka bahetam ha history jong katrat pulet ke jala Meghalaya. Bad ula penting kena bakan amdan kano ke jingla ban le butu lengba kaneka transparent recruitment process.
That we should be advertising for around 3,100 posts, police posts. The breakup is for sub-inspectors, UB sub-inspectors 76. For UB constable, it is 1,255 posts, which includes UB constables, firemen, driver, fireman, mechanics, MPRO, and signal operators of the battalion. And there are also another group, which is the AB constable group. This is around vacancies. We have around 1,637. This will include AV constables, battalion constables, MPRO, general duty constables, constable handyman, and driver constables. So the total posts is in, around 3,100 posts. This time we are with the guidance of the government, and the government wants to reach out to the people in a better manner. So we will be having our recruitment in 5 different centers of the state. One is the 1st Battalion, Hamauyong, which will cater to this part of the region. Then we have another one in 2nd MLP in Goregri, which will cater to the western Garo Hills. And then we have another center, the 3rd Battalion, which is Shen, which will cater to the people of Jantia Hills. And we have another center, the 4th Battalion in Sopian, which will cater to the people of the West Khasi Hills. And finally, we have another center at the 5th Battalion in William Nagar, which will cater to both East and South Garo Hills.
How do you ensure transparency in this recruitment?
We have, as in the near future, we've incorporated highly transparent measures, and we've engaged. Will be purely on electronic, on technical evaluation. So it will be very difficult to manipulate. It will be almost impossible to manipulate.